Go show Daddy. Go show your daddy what you got. Here he comes. Nope, he says, my pumpkin. My pumpkin. It was mine yesterday, and then Daddy took it away from me. Let me see. Set it down. No? You afraid if I set it down, someone's going to steal it again? What are you going to do with it? Huh? What are you going to do with the pumpkin? You going to eat it? Go ask your daddy if you can eat it. Daddy will take it away from you. He says, look at me.
Good boy. Come here. Come here. Good boy. Good boy.
You got to give it back to him.
If you want to eat it, you got to break it up.
What are you going to do with it, Baron?
He's going to carry it around.
Is that your new pumpkin? Is that your new toy? Now I know what I can get you for Christmas. What you got? Show Mama what you got. What you got? Did you have a good Halloween? He said, I didn't get to go out trick-or-treating. But I did get this pumpkin. Ain't it neat looking?